Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 11 Insider Preview Build video. My name's Ed, and as promised, I'm going to be talking about these three options in three consecutive videos. The first option that I want to talk to you about under the taskbar items is the search. Now, if I switch on search, you'll notice that it brings up a search icon where if you hover over it, you can type in your search and it'll bring up the search window. The same thing is if you click on the start menu and you type in your search will also appear. So if you want to either unpin it, you can, or you can pin it and leave it here. You have the option to obviously switch it on or off based on your requirements. If you prefer just using the start menu to search for stuff, for example, like Excel, I'm using example, then you can use it. If you're somebody that uses the search quite often, you can see the same thing to search. Either or, whichever works for you, but you have the option under the taskbar items in settings to either enable it or disable it. In my case, I use the start menu quite a lot to search for things, or I use the run command to run a lot of things. So there you have it. That's the first of three for the taskbar items. Look out for the other two videos. Thank you very much for watching.